right, guys, back out. Let the car cool off, and I got my Serpent with the Armor Italian 6S tires on. The Katara B, and that jump. Look at that jump, and I'm running on 6S.
And we gotta do the backflip in the joint.
Oh, nice. Yes, we got the loose dirt over here. Let's go see what this thing do. Go for it. Oh! Oh! I didn't think you could do it. I didn't think you could do it. Let me just put it in there. I can't do it. Anyway, let's go. Okay, let's go. Yo, we both. All right. I've never really driven this car. I really haven't really taken this Serpent ET on, you know, gave it its paces, but it's getting there. Look how it takes that. Man, it's good for the races though. For the races, man, I got it. With the Katara tires too. These are nice tires. Man, I don't know, man. I think this may actually be better than the Talon, the way it handles. Nice.
Hell yeah.
6S too, and I got it on 6S. And first time I got this vehicle, the look at that junk go, bro. Dang, nice. Oh, that was nice, bro. Nice.
Hey,
yeah, let's go.
Oh, you should have sent it on.
I should have, but I couldn't see over there.
You should have hit it last.
Oh yeah, I could have. Oh! Oh! It's stuck in, oh son! Yo! Oh! 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 Alright. With these tires on here, this yo's a beast. I don't think I would have done this with the regular tires. The regular tires for like clay or stuff. But this yo's, I'm just waiting for that flange bearing to break. Yeah. Nice. This show, yo, the Serpent bash, bro. Get off me. Let's get on top of the hill. There you go. Nice. Chilling. Nice. Sweet. Oh, nice. That's crazy, fool. Yeah, the shot cap. So it looked like I broke the shot cap off of that. Ah, that's it for the Serpent. Oh, man.